Hi, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at CCH Tagetik's standalone pre-packaged IFRS 17 solution, which uses the CCH Tagetik Unified Platform. Now, it's really best suited to groups or entities looking for fast compliance in a standardized model, be it using the premium allocation approach, the general measurement model, or the variable fee approach. Now, being based on their CPM platform, CCH Tagetik's IFRS 17 package also provides financial subledger style intelligence with options for significant configurability. So this is a whole lot more than just a pure compliance solution. Let's take it for a spin. So if we log in as an administrator to the web browser, which can be on-premise or as a cloud solution, we can see the range of tiles to manage the system. The analytical workspaces manage the datasets and includes a set of illustrative examples straight from the standard itself. Processes, workflows, user rights, audit, and the metadata are also configured here. If we transfer to the standard end user web view, we have access to a customizable homepage with links to the user's processes, reports, and libraries. Clicking into Processes, we get a particularly user-friendly feature of CCH Tagetik, the cockpit. Here you can see the submission status for both the group and then on an entity-by-entity basis for each process step. The subsequent tabs provide a detailed guided workflow of the tasks required, with links direct to those activities right from setup to input, validation, calculations, journal production, and finally, reporting. Actuals, cash flow projections, and risk adjustments can be loaded using standard Excel templates or by using the inbuilt ETL technology at the cohort or even down to the contract level. CCH Tagetik provides an array of pre-built data quality checks to ensure that the data is suitable for processing. Once the validation processes and calculation packages have been run, CCH Tagetik produces the doubled entry journals in Excel. The pre-packaged but configurable IFRS 17 accounts can be mapped to your general ledger codes for convenience. Alternatively, journals can be configured to suit your general ledger import process. CCH Tagetik can handle multiple entities in any currency. Additional entities can easily be created in the interface or loaded en masse via Excel if required. Multiple hierarchies can easily be built to suit differing reporting requirements. User access can be defined on every dimension, including entity and workflow tasks. CCH Tagetik also includes a pre-packaged IFRS 17 chart of accounts, including movements from opening to closing that's suitable for PAA, GMM, or VFA that is linked through to the disclosure reporting. Once logged into the CCH Tagetik Excel add-in, there's an array of pre-built reports from financial statements to an analysis of CSM. Reports are reusable across all scenario, period, or entity combinations, with all Excel reports remaining connected to the underlying database data. Additional reports can be prepared by administrators or end users using the powerful report matrix builder that is common to the CCH Tagetik platform. CCH Tagetik also includes seamless integration with QlikSense, so data can be analyzed down to the unit of account level. Again, there is an array of pre-built visualization and data reports that use standard QlikSense filtering and drill-down features to offer data exploration. So, in summary, CCH Tagetik's pre-packaged IFRS 17 solution is a powerful tool ideal for any kind of organization seeking rapid compliance with the standard. The guided workflows provide a clear, well-governed process, whilst the subledger style intelligence and configurability options are impressive for a pre-packaged solution. If you'd like to learn more about this tool and perhaps some others, head over to DemoCentre.io and book in a demo with one of our consultants. Thanks for watching.